Let's unbox the Prana Air CAir Plus. Right on top, you get a quick access card with simple setup instructions and a QR code that takes you straight to the AQI app. Next is the CAir Plus monitor itself. It's compact, minimal, and designed to blend easily into any room, whether it's your desk, bedroom, or living space. Underneath, you'll find the Type-C cable and the power adapter. So the entire setup is literally plug and play. Now let's switch it on. You get instant real-time readings for PM 2.5, PM 10, TVOCs, temperature and humidity all in one clean display. And once it's paired with the app, you can also check outdoor air quality for your location and quick trend graphs to see how your air changes through the day. Simple, smart, and made to help you understand the air you breathe.